Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about Clixtell For Info Product. We stop Google Ads click fraud. Protect your PPC campaigns, save valuable time and money, and boost your ROI with the world's leading click fraud protection and detection software. Stop click fraud with Clixtell's advanced features. Measure call tracking, conversion intelligence, detailed click and call reports, live dashboard, record phone calls, dynamic phone insertion. Who's clicking my ads? Competitors. It's a known strategy that competitors click on your paid ads so they will go offline. Click farms. Click farms are organizations that can produce thousands of clicks in minutes. Bots. Over 36% of web traffic is generated by automatic bots and scripts. Preventing click fraud on Google Ads and Bing Ads is just one piece of the puzzle. Clixtell provides 24/7 click fraud detection, automated click fraud protection, video screen recorder, conversion intelligence, click-to-call ads tracking and recording, refund claim reports. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about Clixtell and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.